to stop Roblox from crashing. Start by rebooting your computer, as this can quickly fix a lot of issues. To do this, go to the Windows Start button. Select it. Then click on the Power button and choose Restart. After your computer restarts, try playing Roblox again to see if the issue is resolved. If Roblox is still crashing, try deleting its cache on your computer. You can do this by right-clicking on the Windows Start button, selecting Run, and then typing %local app data % with no spaces in the Run dialog box. This will open a file explorer. Scroll down to find the Roblox folder. Right-click on it and select Delete. This is just cache, so deleting it shouldn't cause any problems if Roblox is still not working. Try completely uninstalling and then reinstalling it. To uninstall, right-click on the Windows Start button. Select Apps and Features. Search for Roblox, and choose to uninstall the Roblox app or player. After uninstalling, go to the Roblox website. Find a game you want to play, and click the Play button. If prompted, download and install the Roblox installer. Then run it to install Roblox on your computer. Once the installation is complete, try playing Roblox again. It should now work without crashing.